we are now back with Fun Plum. What you up to today, Plum?
We can do an RC car trick. And this, in my also it's called sideways. This is a good trick.
All right, it's called
sideways. But really trick.
All right, let me just translate there for all the folks at home. He called the sideways boop-a-doo wheelie trick. All right, go ahead, Plum. Show us what you got. Woo, doggy. Oh, that is cool, Plummy. Ooh, that is cool. So, he's gonna do a wheelie. He says don't last too long though. Do the wheelie now, Plummy. Oh, show us one more time. Whoa, baby. All right. Now, Big Chap is making his own video of this. How you doing, Big Chap?
Good.
All right. All right. Show us what you got here. Down. All right. Woo, pretty good. Show us how it goes up now, Plummy. This is pretty good. I've seen this. Let me come right over here. All right. Wow. That's a pretty good jump. All right, here's Principal's RC car. Show us what you got, Principal. He's gonna try to get it up that jump. Oh, wow, pretty good. All right, here we go now. Now he's gonna jump it on the ramp and into the sandbox. It's never done before. All right, so here we are. We're gonna do this final race here, and they're gonna start at that line. They're gonna come down here. They're gonna go around here, trying their best to stay in that there track. They're gonna bring it all the way in here into the garage. Say it's a nice clean garage. And they're gonna cross that finish line right there. All right, ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Oh, took a little shortcut there, Plummy. All right. Oh, this is gonna be a barn burner. Oh. It was close. Principal's RC car won, but it was close. Ooh. All right, Principal.
See you next time on Fun Plum.